Have you ever tried to compare rustic wood furniture with other types? Comparing rustic wood furniture with other types of wood furniture reveals a rich tapestry of styles, materials, and philosophies that cater to different tastes and needs. Each style has its unique characteristics, benefits, and aesthetic appeal, contributing to the diverse landscape of home decor. Understanding these differences can help individuals make informed choices about their furniture, ultimately enhancing their living spaces and reflecting their personal styles. Rustic wood furniture is primarily characterized by its raw, natural beauty. It often showcases the inherent imperfections of the wood, such as knots, grain variations, and a rough texture. This style emphasizes a connection to nature, evoking feelings of warmth and nostalgia. The rustic aesthetic is often associated with a countryside or cabin-like ambience, making it a popular choice for those seeking a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The use of reclaimed or salvaged wood is common in rustic furniture, which adds a layer of history and sustainability to the pieces. The charm of rustic wood furniture lies in its individuality. Each piece is unique, telling its story through its imperfections and features. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern rustic wood furniture and decor pieces ideas to instantly change the look of your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In contrast, contemporary wood furniture tends to prioritize sleek lines, minimalism, and a polished finish. This style often embraces a more modern aesthetic, focusing on functionality and simplicity. Contemporary pieces are typically made from high-quality hardwoods, but may feature engineered materials or veneers for a more uniform appearance. The emphasis is on clean designs that fit seamlessly into modern homes, often incorporating innovative storage solutions and multifunctional elements. While contemporary furniture can be incredibly functional and stylish, it may lack the emotional connection and warmth that rustic pieces inherently provide. Traditional wood furniture, on the other hand, often embodies classic design elements and craftsmanship. Characterized by ornate details, rich finishes, and time-honored techniques, traditional furniture pieces reflect a sense of history and permanence. This style is rooted in various historical periods, such as Victorian, colonial, or Georgian, and often features intricate carvings, inlays, and rich upholstery. While traditional furniture exudes elegance and sophistication, it may sometimes feel formal or heavy, contrasting sharply with the relaxed, laid-back vibe of rustic wood furniture. Another significant difference between rustic and other types of wood furniture is the approach to craftsmanship. Rustic furniture often embraces a more artisanal method of construction, with a focus on handcrafting and individual attention to detail. Artisans may use traditional techniques, such as mortise and tenon joinery, which highlight the skill involved in creating each piece. This artisanal approach fosters a sense of authenticity and connection to the craft, making rustic furniture appealing to those who value handmade artistry. In contrast, contemporary and traditional wood furniture may be produced using more industrial methods. While high-quality materials are still essential, the focus can shift toward efficiency and consistency in production. This can sometimes lead to a loss of character in the pieces, as mass production prioritizes uniformity over individuality. While contemporary furniture can certainly be well-crafted, the connection to the artisan's hand may not be as pronounced as in rustic designs. The emotional impact of rustic wood furniture is another aspect worth considering. For many, rustic pieces evoke feelings of comfort, nostalgia, and a connection to simpler times. The natural, earthy aesthetic can create a sense of grounding in a home, fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere. This emotional resonance is often enhanced by the use of reclaimed materials, which carry their own stories and histories. In contrast, while contemporary and traditional furniture can certainly be beautiful and functional, they may not evoke the same level of emotional response. The polished finishes and sleek lines of contemporary designs can sometimes feel cold or impersonal, while traditional pieces may come across as too formal or rigid for casual living. Sustainability is another important factor in the comparison of rustic wood furniture with other types. Many rustic furniture makers prioritize the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, emphasizing the importance of environmental responsibility. This focus on sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly aware of their ecological footprint and seek to support practices that promote conservation. In contrast, contemporary and traditional furniture may not always emphasize sustainable sourcing or reclaimed materials, depending on the manufacturer. While there are certainly contemporary and traditional pieces that are made from responsibly sourced wood, the focus on sustainability is often more pronounced in the rustic furniture community. The versatility of rustic wood furniture is also a point of comparison. Rustic pieces can blend seamlessly into various decor styles, from farmhouse and country to industrial and eclectic. The organic nature of rustic wood allows it to complement a wide range of colors, textures, and materials, making it a flexible choice for homeowners looking to create a cohesive design. In contrast, contemporary furniture is often designed to fit specific modern aesthetics, which can limit its adaptability in more diverse or traditional settings. Traditional furniture, while beautiful, may also be less versatile due to its specific historical influences and ornate details. In terms of pricing, rustic wood furniture can offer a range of options depending on the materials used and the craftsmanship involved. While high-quality rustic pieces can be as expensive as their contemporary and traditional counterparts, there are also more affordable options available, especially when using reclaimed materials. This accessibility can make rustic furniture appealing to a broader audience, allowing more people to incorporate unique, handcrafted items into their homes. Contemporary and traditional furniture can vary widely in price, often dependent on the brand, craftsmanship, and materials used. High-end brands may command premium prices, while budget-friendly options may lack the same level of quality or design. The maintenance and care required for rustic wood furniture can differ significantly from other types. Rustic pieces, often left with a more natural finish, may require regular upkeep to preserve their beauty and functionality. The use of oil or wax finishes can enhance the wood's natural characteristics while protecting it from wear. Conversely, contemporary furniture may often feature finishes that are more resistant to scratches and stains, making them easier to maintain in high-traffic areas. Traditional furniture, with its intricate details and finishes, may require specialized care to prevent damage, such as polishing or careful cleaning. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern rustic wood furniture and decor pieces ideas to instantly change the look of your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.